Google Chrome added a new feature called the grid layout feature. The new Google Chrome grid layout features enable you to open the Google Chrome browser on your phone just like on your PC. So in this video, I'm going to show you the step-by-step procedure on how to enable Google Chrome grid layout. If you're an Android phone user or an iPhone user, this phone will guide you with a step to turn on the grid layout feature on your Chrome browser. This is the Google Chrome browser interface we are familiar with. So the new Chrome update comes with what is called grid layout. So if you want to enable this grid layout, kindly follow the step-by-step procedure I will share with you in this video. So the first thing you need to do, you need to go to your Google Play Store. If you're using an Android phone, for iPhone user, you need to go to your Apple App Store and search for Google Chrome. Make sure you upgrade your Google Chrome browser to the latest version so that the Google Chrome grid layout feature will be added to your Chrome browser. Once you have successfully installed the latest Google Chrome browser on your phone, then you are ready to enable the grid layout on your Chrome browser. Now go back and open the Chrome browser. In your Chrome browser, open a new tab. Now tap on the web address option and click on and type Chrome //flags and click on the enter button. Now under available, you have the grid layout option for the new Google Chrome app. By default, the grid layout is disabled. So to enable the Google Chrome grid layout, search flag, under search flag, search for grid layout. Grid layout. Now once the tab grid layout opens, select or click on the options on default option and select enable. Once you select the enable button, you'll be asked to relaunch your Chrome browser. Then click on the relaunch button. Once the browser has relaunched successfully, click on the tab option. You see it is yet to take effect. Now click on the option and choose enable new tab variation. Then relaunch your Chrome browser. Now the grid layout is now enabled. Now you can now go back to the option and click and choose the enable option, relaunch again. That is it. This is the step-by-step procedure on how to enable the grid layout in Google Chrome browser. Please, if you're enjoying this tutorial, hit the like button and do subscribe to our YouTube channel.